We're going to do a reminder of how to find the vertex, which is the highest or lowest point on a graph. So imagine your equation is y equals x squared plus 6x plus 8. So if I were to use the diamond and rectangle problem and factor this, I'm not going to show all the work. If I factored this, I would end up with a parentheses of x plus 4 and a parentheses of x plus 2. And to get the x-intercepts, we look at when those could equal 0. If you want to show the work, you're just taking each set of parentheses and making it equal to 0. And asking yourself, what number should the x be so that I get to 0? So one of the answers is -4, because -4 plus 4 is 0. And if you wanted to show work, you would subtract 4 on both sides to get the x alone, and you'd get x equals -4. The other one is x is -2, because -2 plus 2 is 0. Or you could show your work to get the x alone. We would minus 2 on both sides, and we'd also have x equals -2. So on a graph, we would have x-intercepts back here at -2 and -4. And so now we need what's called the vertex. The vertex is going to be the lowest point on this U-shaped parabola. And the way that we find that is we need what's in the exact middle of -4 and -2. In the middle of -4 and -2 is -3. So I know my vertex coordinate is -3 comma something. And to find that something, we go back to our original equation and we put in -3 as the x. So -3 squared plus 6 times -3 plus 8. -3 squared is actually +9 plus 6 times -3 is -18, and then plus 8. And again, you could use a calculator and do this all at once. 9 plus -18 plus 8 is -1. So we know that if we plugged in 3, our output for our vertex down here should be -1. So you pick what number's in the middle of your x-intercepts and then plug it into the equation for x to see how low the graph should go to find the vertex.